got a request, a comment from a good friend, Jeff, making music, generating music, making it more personalized. For example, I want to make a music for my mom. I'm gonna use AI. Jeff, this is for you. We'll start from scratch. For the rest of you who are watching this, if you're interested how to generate the music using AI, making it more personal, especially during Christmas seasons or for certain occasions that I want to give this to you because it has my touch, but it has that professional music. So, Jeff, let's start, my friend. So what I'm gonna use is ChatGPT. Let's do some ideation here. Okay. So what I'm thinking is first is the lyrics, creation of a lyrics. But who is it for? It's for my mom. A song for my mom. She is. I'll just write down here what I have or my message for her. We had some rocky relationship. I think often times she loves my brother than me. Treat her when they visit her. Okay, that's too sentimental. Anyway, Jeff. Well, what I'm showing here is like, okay, you give what you have in mind, an idea, so that for proper context, the ChatGPT or AI will know what to do. It's the, what is important here is the prompting. You know what to tell AI. I got that idea out there. Next is what kind of song. So you should have an inspiration on the type of song that you want ChatGPT to do. For me, it's like, okay, let's the inspiration would be Spice Girls Mama song is the inspiration. Now I wrote down my thoughts, the idea about the song, then the type of melody, the composition, type of music. And what I'm going to do is tell ChatGPT to create the lyrics of the song. Um, you are a singer, songwriter, composer, ChatGPT, and I want you to create the lyrics of the idea idea that I have regarding my mom, inspired by the song, which like did I say Spice Girls, Spice Girls, Spice Girls, Mama, right? And then enter. Let's see what. There you go. There. Should I make it larger? Make it larger for you to rate. Yes. ChatGPT did my song for me. Right. Now, after that, I want ChatGPT to create a prompt for the song, the melody. Now we're going to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT, you are a music arranger, composer, and I want you to create a prompt. We're gonna use Suno AI or Suno AI, the music style. And Suno only the maximum of characters is 1,000. 1,000 characters. So never mind about the spelling there. I'll check by itself. It will check by itself. Oh, mama. Okay, there you go. Now I got my lyrics written, more personal, and then I have my prompt. What's the next step? The next step is going to Suno, to the AI that we are going to use. So Suno AI. There. I'm Suno Pro AI Music Creator. Yup. Suno Studio is here. So with this one, I already had registered it, and I'm going to provide the link down below. All you have to do is just click that and you'll go directly to Suno. So this is there are two versions, paid version, and there's a free. I took the paid version because I'm doing a lot of stuff. I guess for the free, you can only generate 3 or 4 songs a day. It gives you a certain number of credits. Now I'm gonna create. So let me take that down. Create your own song. Home, great, create. There. Next step is so again. I'm gonna go to from home. I got the small icon there. Just put create. We'll try to make it simple, Jeff. And, and I'm gonna copy this thing from ChatGPT, the whole lyrics, copy, and go right here, create or paste rather, and you could toggle it down and check the whole thing. Song title, take that optional. Mama, I know now. Okay. And copy the prompt. However, here's the thing. There are several options down here for the kind of style that you want. You could choose it right here, or you have your own prompt. For me, I had ChatGPT do it. However, in Suno, there is an option down here. So you could have, you want to make it jazz, rap, or crap. Or like it'll make it simpler for you. So if you don't have any prompts or for a style, or you don't have anything in mind yet, all you have to do is go to the style, check that out, and then you could choose whichever. Now I want this to be sang by a male, though the song was sang by Spice Girls and style influence. What 75%. That's it. That is it. Now we're going to generate the song. With this one, I gotta inform you, Jeff, that the Suno AI will generate 2 songs for you. So you at least you would be able to choose which one sounds better. The next step would be creating your own music video. But let's start. Let's create. Let me see how many minutes. Okay. That was fast. Oh, could not generate what? Tags contain. What were the tags? I don't know what it's talking about. No, 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 no. It doesn't want this one. Okay. Then let's take that out. Copyright. That's the thing. They don't want you to add the name of the song that you're inspired. Sometimes Suno does, sometimes it does not. And I think Suno has this copyright case against a big music company, and maybe that's the reason why he did that a while ago. But we already have the song. I'm gonna share the first verse, the chorus, and then after that, I'll share the second song.
You were the fire, burning fierce inside our quiet little home. Words wouldn't hit like thunder cracks whenever feelings overflowed. I never understood the strength you carry just to keep me safe.
What happened? Oh, it's generating. How about this one?
You were the fire in a quiet room. Words like lightning when the clouds would boom. I never understood the strength you carried every day. Thought you loved her more, I just walked away. But every fever night you stayed by my side. Warm towels mixing your hands as my guide. You never said I love you in the gentle way they do, but you showed it in everything you pushed me through. I didn't see then, I was too young to know how love can be like,
I did
how
not
love can be
expect that because I only said
bold.
male. Well, but I didn't expect that it has a female voice. Those are just the glitches, and I think you could change that. And for me, I'm still new, still figuring things out. Anyhow, that's it. I'm gonna share both songs, and you tell me which one is the song that you prefer. Links down below. Tell me which one you prefer, and I'll create a video out of that.
You were the fire. You were the fire in a quiet room.
Okay, that's it. I don't want to get teary eyed or get sentimental here. Bro, that's for you. And if you want me to make more of this kind of videos, kind of instructional, because, it's Christmas, and you want to give Christmas is coming rather, and you want to give something more personal to your loved ones, what would be the best gift? A song created by you that has your own, it's more personal. It expresses your feeling, but it would come out a professionally created song. Thank you to our new subscribers. Yes, they can. The headlines, Colas Rail, and Emil Cruto. Thank you for subscribing, bro. We really appreciate you. And this is Binoculars in Next Gen AI. See you on the next one. Ciao.